me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix app not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if the Netflix applications is not working on your Windows 10 or 11 device, it can be due to outdated software, corrupted app files, or network issues. And through this video, I'm going to show you the steps to resolve the problem. The step one that you need to do is check your internet connection. You can test your network speed. Open your browser. So here I'm going to open my browser first, and then you can just visit a website like speed test, and then you can just test your speed. You can just click on this run speed test, and then ensure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient speed, at least 5 megabyte per second for HD streaming. And after that, you can try to restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Okay, the step that you can do is restart the Netflix application. So you can just close this first and then reopen it again and check if it works now. Step 3 that you can do is update the Netflix applications. You can open the Microsoft Store. You can just search for Netflix, and after that you can just check for updates and update the Netflix if there is any update available. Step 4 that you go to the settings on your device. You can go to settings in here. And then navigate to apps, install apps, and then find Netflix. You can just search for Netflix in here in the search bar at the top. Okay, this one. After that, you can just click on reset to clear the app cache. Here, you can just go to the advanced options and reset. And the next step that you can do is update your Windows. You can check for updates by going to the settings. And in here, find Windows Update. And then you can check for updates. So if there is any update available, you can just download and install any pending updates. Restart your PC after the installation. Or you can also try to reinstall the Netflix application. You can just delete the on apps in here. You can just uninstall the Netflix first and then reinstall it again on the Microsoft Store. Or you can also troubleshoot the Netflix application by going to the system in here, and then after that you can find troubleshoot. Go to the system and find troubleshoot here, this one, and then click on other troubleshooters, and in here you can just locate Windows Store apps and click on run. So you can just troubleshoot the Netflix application. You can also check for graphics the drivers. You can update the drivers or roll back the drivers if needed. And if it still doesn't work, you can try to contact the Netflix support. So you use their live chat or report the issue for further assistance. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.